What's up, Baddie Squad? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I package my orders, including how I print my shipping labels. You will of course need tape and other shipping materials such as box, tissue paper, and etc. So here's my process. Okay, so right here you see me clicking the print button, which I'm just printing out my labels. I print my labels through PayPal, and I use my website Big Cartel for my orders and all of that good stuff. So yeah, click the print button, connect it to your printer, and then print the labels out. Okay, so right now you see me printing the labels out. I recommend using adhesive paper so it can just automatically stick without you having to tape it. Okay, and now it's continuing to print, and just wait till they're all done. Okay, I already have my orders packaged up, but make sure you're adding a business card inside of all your packages. Always include a business card. You're also going to need tape and some scissors so you can cut the labels out and stick them onto the package easily without any mess. It's just a quick business snack of mine that I enjoy eating while doing my packages. Make sure you don't make any mess while eating though. Once you are done cutting out the label, this is what it should look like. It should have your business name, the customer's name, a tracking number, and a barcode at the top. This is very important. I had to, of course, cover the purchase information, but this is what your finished product should look like. If anything is sticking back up, make sure to add more tape if necessary. If not, just stick the label on, take it to the post office, and you're done. After your packages get scanned in by the post office, you should get a tracking receipt with the weight, the destination, the acceptance date, and then a label number. And also, you should get a tracking number for everybody.